next guest, Candice Quartermain, who's just getting wired up over on the side. She's the founder and director of the Circular Economy of Australia. Now, what this is all about is the economics of reuse. Okay, so when we talk economics, we're not talking about the macro gibberish bullshit that Joe Hockey gets up and talks about, largely excuse-ridden, depending on the way that you approach the types of stuff that they're talking about. We're talking here about microeconomics. In other words, the stuff you do every day, and what's the sustainability of reusing stuff. She's also got a special guest. Candice, come up and join us. Please give her a round of applause. Candice and Colin, who's actually doing this stuff.
Good evening. I'm just testing my mic. Okay. Today is an exciting time for us to be alive. We are healthier and living longer than ever before. And what's even more exciting is that the world is our oyster. We can dive and swim with giants. We can trek the Amazon. We can fall in love in Paris and discover exotic foods in the Amazon and in India. And what's even more exciting is that we can share, capture, and relive all of those moments through this device that we all have today. So what's next? What happens in 18 months' time when this phone has been replaced with a new one? What is our intention? You see, today we live in a linear economy where we accept that we take, make, and throw away, where finite resources are taken out of the ground to make things, as James mentioned, particularly for a short period of time, and then wasted. We have a design problem. What is the future going to look like when we accept that our phone of today could end up in the mouth of a child tomorrow? What if there's another way? What if our future for tomorrow had an intention where we considered all of the children of all of the species for all of the time? What could we design then? Could we design ethical, economical, ecological, and elegant products? That's the future I want to know about. Ladies and gentlemen, that future is here. Let me introduce you to the circular economy, where we design in circles and not lines, where nothing is wasted, where resources are used continually, disassembled, and continually reused, where products are designed beyond purpose and function, but instead have benefits like clean air, clean water, and food, where everything is powered using renewable energy. This is the circular economy. And what's very exciting is business is backing us. They are excited, they are adopting it. The circular economy this year at the Economic Forum was estimated to be worth $1 trillion globally by 2025. That is an exciting opportunity. And joining us today is Colin, we haven't forgotten about you, who's part of Desso, who are a carpet manufacturer that have been embracing the circular economy now for nearly a decade. So Colin, tell us about this exciting world that is the circular economy.
Thanks, Candice. Great to be here. It's really exciting working for a company like Desso because over the last 30 years, I've been involved in the floor covering industry. And probably over the last 10 years, I've been involved in designing a lot of green schemes and accreditations for different companies. And when I look back, there's some that I probably would now not choose to be involved in. Mainly because everyone has been driven by the construction and the fit-out industry into having a green scheme. And you have to go along and you have to say, yes, I'm green. So over that 10 years, I've really seen the devaluation of the word sustainable. And it's got to the point where a company actually, some of the companies decide what they're going to do with the product when they have to, when it comes back at the end of life, if the client hasn't forgotten about the product stewardship. What we're doing at Desso is we're investing in the circular economy through a cradle-to-cradle manufacturing system where we're actually wanting to use every part of our product with no waste and designing the product better from the ground up so that we can take the product back, we can remake it, and it's great to recycle something, but if you take a 1990 car and you turn it into a 1950 car, who wants to buy it? What we're doing is we're taking product back, that served a purpose, been designed, been aesthetically pleasing, and we're recreating that into a new product.
But tell us about the products. What else do the products do? What is coming into the future that everyone wants to get excited about?
To get excited about, we build our products on 3 mainstays, and that's creativity, functionality, and sustainability. I know I said that was devalued, but we're reinventing it. We actually build products that can improve power usage within buildings through light reflection values. We have a patent product that actually improves indoor air quality, and we have a product that also improves acoustic values within a building. Most excitingly, we too, like the previous ad for one of our competitors, are leasing products, and that is done with one clear aim in mind. It has to be good for the company to do it. For us to invest in the circular economy, it must be profitable. And what we're actually doing is we're maintaining and ensuring our raw material source into the future so that we can actually control that through a leasing system where people don't invest in the carpet with a capital expenditure. We lease it to them. And the reason that we do that is we want it back at the end of life.
That's fantastic. So there's a lot to be said about the circular economy, and it's a conversation that we're really, really excited about at Circular Economy Australia. We want to extend that invite to you guys in the room, and we want to together get rid of this obsolete opportunity. We want to get rid of it. Let's make it obsolete. Take, make, and throw away is part of yesterday. Let's introduce our next generation to the circular economy. Thank you.